Hi everybody, this is Suzanne Hiron, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Today I want to show you a card. It's a simple stamping card that is made with the Berry Blessings stamp set available during Sale-a-Bration. So here is the card we're going to make today, and here is the inside. All right, let's get to the workshop and get started. All right, today we're going to make this cute little card with Berry Blessings. Berry Blessings is a stamp set that you can get for free during Sale-a-Bration with a qualifying purchase. So let's get started. I've used a Night of Navy, a piece of cardstock that is 11 by 4 1/4, scored at 5 1/2, and another piece of Granny Apple Green, and this is for the inside, Granny Apple Green and Whisper White, and this is the new designer series paper that is available also during Sale-a-Bration with a qualifying order. So all the measurements will be on my blog, so no need to worry. And I have the Night of Navy here and the piece of white that we're going to use to stamp. So let's start with stamping. So we'll get the Berry Blessings stamp set out, and this is a two-step stamping. I love these for the texture it provides. They're really, really pretty. So I've got my block. I'm going to stamp the outline of the leaf. I need a bigger block here. Let me just stretch out. All right, get a bigger block, and I will outline the leaf with Garden Green. Just make sure I have it all over. Put it to the top so that we have room for the greeting on the bottom. All right, and one of the tips is having my cleaning chamois right beside me so I can clean it as I go along. Put it back. And this is going to be the inside that I'm going to do in Pear Pizzazz. Because these are polymer stamps, you see exactly where you're stamping, so it makes it easy to do the two-step stamping. And it gives it a lot of texture. You can see in the leaves, they have a lot of texture in these stamps. I just love it. Now we have our little blueberries. I'm going to start those in Night of Navy to match the cardstock. I love that Stampin' Up! Papers and stamps and inks all coordinate. Makes it so easy. So this is my outline. And I'm going to fill it with Pacific Point, and Pacific Point is one of the colors in our designer series paper. So when you see the finished product, you'll see how well it matches. Now, hope you don't see my head. So there's my little blueberries. What I like about this stamp set is that it's made to go with Sweet Strawberry, which is available in the January to June mini catalog, and the fonts are identical. So the one on Berry Blessings and the one on Sweet Strawberry are the same font, so they They go together so well, and I'm going to stamp this in Night of Navy on the bottom right here. So it says, "Happy birthday, you sweet thing." And while we have our stamps and inks all ready to go, let's stamp something for the inside. And we have, "You always have a way of making my day." So let's use this one. Isn't that nice? So this is the inside of my card. I'm going to do this one in Night of Navy as well. And I left a bit of room on top because I like putting little strips of designer series paper to match. So while we have the inside of the card ready to go, we'll take those two little strips that I had. They're 1/2 inch wide. Right here. And I'm going to put one on the top and one on the bottom. So you can see there's a little bit, they're a little bit wider than my paper. So I'll just put them on here. And I'll cut the excess with my snips this way. All right. So my inside greeting is stamped. Let's go with the snail. Yes, I still use snail. I ordered lots before they went away, and I still love my snail. So the inside is ready. Let's get into my card. And now we'll work on the top part. So I need to emboss the bottom, as you can see. There's a little bit of embossing on the bottom of the card here. So let me go and do that, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So I embossed more than I needed, but the designer series paper is going to cover it. So I'm going to adhere this piece and line it up because it's exactly 4 inches like the top. And I'm going to use this flax ribbon to cover the seam right here. So snip a little bit of that off. Use my snail. Snail on the back. And we're ready to adhere this piece to the front of my card. And now to finish it off, we'll take the greeting, layer it on the piece of Night of Navy, and I'm going to use some Stampin' Dimensionals to give it just a little bit of height and dimension. going to use my take your pick tool to pop these off. Now we just center it on the card and we're done. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this card and we will see you next time.